All right, welcome everyone. This is a streaming unboxing of a NAS from Western Digital. This is the EX4100. Okay, so I have two cameras on me right now. One is streaming. The other one is recording for future editing. So I'm going to sync the cameras. That way I get the audio synced up. All right, so with this, I also have two 8 TB drives. This is going to be for all my videos. So this is the quick start. Shows you how to install the bays, hook it up to the network. So I have a network wire up here, get all that set up. So this is really a computer that has drive bays in it, and they're set up so that you can configure the drives in different ways. I'm just going to configure it for basic backup of my data. Alright, so the equipment comes with power cable, power supply, and a network cable. Small unit. I'll get the box out of the way. Okay, there we go, there's the unit. So let's check out this quick start guide. This does not come with any discs. That's why I purchased the additional discs. So it's showing how you install the discs. Let's see how easy this is. This is not really reading directions, this is just following pictures. So that looks easy. We'll see if we can put in one of the drives. Okay, so this is an 8 TB red drive. Okay, so I think it's in. We'll install the door. And then we'll install the second one. Alright, so second drive, looking in the back, all this way. One doesn't seem right. There we go, that clicked in. So now we'll connect up power and we'll connect up the network. Power plugged in. In. Looks like it has redundant power. Redundant Ethernet. Now I have my Ethernet cable taken off of my Raspberry Pi that I use for Octoprint. Plug this into port 1 on the Ethernet, and I'll apply power. Expecting to hear this spin up when I power it up. It would help if I flip the power switch on, so I want to make sure that my 3D printer is turned off. Okay, there we go. Power's applied. Now let's hope that the fans do not make this noise, because if it does, I'm going to relocate it to someplace else within the house. Alright, then it provides, on the quick start guide, it provides an address that I'll use within my internal network to access it. I'm going to give that a quick try right now. Try this directly on my phone and see what happens. May not do anything. We'll see. So again, the links for this product are available in the description below. Okay, so the fan quieted down, which is desirable. I understand that it'll kick up in heavy usage, but I don't expect to use this heavily. Right? Alright, so we are on the same network. Trying to connect to it. That is not working as I expected to. We're definitely on the same network. Let's verify that we have something going on in the background here. Lights. Got some flickering. Okay. That is good. Let's see if I can ping this device from my PC. Alright, so I see it. I'm able to ping it. I'm pinging the device right now. So that means it's on the same network, just that I'm having a problem seeing it from my phone, which I really don't care about because that's not what I want to use. So now what I'm going to do is try to access that address from within a web page. Okay, I'm able to access it. You done in a minute. Unboxing this. Okay. All right. So now I'm able to access this device. Let's see if I can connect to it. All right. So now I have my account established to communicate with this device. So that was actually pretty simple. You access it from. I had difficulty from the Android. I wasn't using an app or anything. I was just trying it from the web page. Didn't like going that way. I tried it from the PC using this address. It asks you to type in a password to set up the admin. I did that. And then it asked me to set up a user. I added myself as a user, included my email address, and entered the desired password for that once it connected through Western Digital's service, their cloud service. So now I think everything is established, and I'm going to see how easy it is to transfer files over. Again, the idea is just to keep a backup of all my videos for the YouTube channel and any important documents that I have relevant to that. That way I won't lose anything. So now I'm on the PC and there's a setup. I can hear the drives doing a little thing right now. I'm connecting to it. And it's taking a little bit of time. I guess that's expected. Maybe it's in the process of formatting drives. I do want to bring up setup to see if it identifies both drives. You can see we have red lights on the drive bays here, so that's an indication that something is in there, or it could be red, meaning that it doesn't like the drives. I want to learn more about the lights and what that means. My guess is that it's formatting this drive. This is going through a lot of motions right now. I can hear the drive going. Now this is going to be low usage. The intention is to copy the files over and be done with it. I do expect to have the ability to remove a drive and plug in another one. So I'll be able to use this to rotate drives in and out as I fill them up. And I film everything in 4K, so I think 3 GB is about 8 minutes worth. I'm doing several hours at a time usually when I'm doing my videos. The live streaming cuts down on some of that because the live streaming I'm doing 1080p. I have this camera which is 1080p also, so that really doesn't require that much data. It's about a fourth. So 8 minutes would be the equivalent to about 1 gigabytes worth of data. Or you can look at it like 4 gigabytes will be about a half an hour at 1080p. And this to my left is the 3D printer that you see me print on. This is from Prusa Research, Joseph Prusa's printer. And you can see here, this is the printout of the OpenRC. So yes, you can print your own RC card. They are available. You can do a search hashtag OpenRC. Learn how to do it. You just have to get some hardware, which includes the bearings, motors, the remote control, electronic speed control, and screws. And screws like this I also got on Amazon. It's still going through a lot of setup right now. I don't know what's happening. I mean, I see that there's a blue donut that's turning around, letting me know that it's doing something. I do hear the drives going still. I just wish it would have a little bit more feedback. Again, we're still waiting for this to wake up. I don't hear anything else. So if the drives are doing something, they're doing it sequentially because I don't hear the heads moving around. Still waiting. System is in standby mode, so that tells me that it's not even being used. All right, so here's what I found. I was able to log in and provide you with a way to access it. So if you're on Windows 10, you just access through the network. You get access to the drive. It'll be a public folder, and then you can drag and drop files directly into that. And that's what I intend on doing. So I'm not going to do any of that right now. We'll cover that later. So right now, I'm going to end the stream. Thanks for watching. If you like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Most importantly, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for my other videos. Check out my other videos. Refresh the page to my channel, and you will see where I install ground molding with lights around the top to give the room a really crisp look for a music studio. And I also do CNC work, and I build a nice sign for our local baseball organization. So thanks again for watching.